Students, welcome to commerce class. I am Narsimlu, commerce teacher. In this video, I will teach you CEC first year commerce subject. Topic: business activities. Dear students, here business activities are broadly classified into two. They are, one is industry, another is commerce. Both together we can say as a business. So commerce and industry are like a two sides of a coin. So here industry. In this video, I will explain the meaning of industry and types of industries. In the next video, I will explain about commerce. Now, let's we understand the meaning of industry. In general, industry means the place where goods are produced. It is where goods are produced, like producing biscuit packets or producing something that we use in our day-to-day life. So here industry means producing goods, and the place where we produce goods and services is called as industry. Industry is concerned with the production of goods and services. It is the activity where processing, producing, or manufacturing or extracting activities will take place. So here industry is concerned with the production of goods and services. Generally, these activities can be done by producing or processing or extracting or manufacturing activities. Okay, students. So here goods can be produced in the industry. That is one point. Goods and services are produced in the industry. But these goods may be two types. One is consumers goods, another is producers goods. Consumers goods are those goods which we consume in our day-to-day life. Whatever the goods may be, like toothpaste, soap, clothes, books, different varieties of goods we are using in our day-to-day life. So these goods are called consumer goods. So consumer goods are those goods which are finally consumed by the consumer or used by the consumer. And come to second type of goods, that is producers goods. Producers goods are those goods which are used to produce consumer goods are called as producers goods. Here machineries, whatever the machineries we use in the process of producing goods are called as producers goods. Okay, so here it is the meaning of industry. Industry can be defined in a simple words that the place where the goods and services are produced are called as industry. Okay, students, right. Come to next one, types of industries. Here we have classified the industries into 6 types. They are first one primary industry, second one genetic industry, third one extractive industry, and fourth one manufacturing industry, fifth one construction industry, and sixth one service industry. So we see these types of industries in the market, in the society, in our world. There are so many varieties of industries which are included in these types of industries only. So here the first one we can go to understand the first industry, that is primary industry. Primary industry concerned with production of goods with the help of nature. It is nature oriented industry. In this industry, it requires a little human efforts. So, example we can go to say agriculture, agriculture and horticulture, fishing, etc. So once again we can try to understand the primary industry. So primary industry concerned with the production of goods with the help of nature. Here in the process of producing goods in this industry, we can go to take the help of nature. Without the help of nature, we can't produce anything under this industry. So, if the nature favors us, we can produce so many goods under primary industry. If there are adverse effects of the nature, we can't produce as much as we expected. So here this industry requires a little human efforts. So here humans can be just supervise the activities that happening under primary industry. Here see in the agriculture process we can go to means here we can go to do so little efforts in the agriculture activities, or we can say in the fishing. So already there may be a river, and in the river or in the ocean we may go to and fishing the fish, isn't it? So that is a primary industry. And come to next one, genetic industry. This industry concerned with the reproduction or multiplication of some kinds of species of plants and animals with the intention of sale. So here genetic industry. Genetic industry means here what's happening in this industry, we can go to reproduce or multiplying some kinds of species of plants and animals with the intention of sell them in the market. Example, we can go to take poultry, nursery, okay, and here these are the examples for genetic industry or cattle breeding. All these comes under genetic industry. So genetic industry, in this industry is concerned with the reproduction or multiplication of some kinds of species of plants and animals. Just before I said, example for this industry is poultry farms, nurseries, and we can also say here cattle breeding. Okay, so next come to third one, extractive industry. This industry basically concerned with extracting goods from soil, air or water. In this industry, example, we can go to take oil that we extract from the earth, under the earth, from the soil, or we can go to take quarries, okay, mines, where we can go to extract the material from soil or earth. And here, and come to next one, manufacturing industry. So this industry is concerned with the manufacturing of goods. In this industry, raw materials are converted into finished goods. Raw materials are converted into finished goods, and these raw materials can be acquired from the other industries. So the material which are available in other industries can be used as raw material and converted those material into finished goods. Okay, these are the these activities comes under manufacturing industry. Taking cloth, they collecting cotton and they can different processes, and where they can take those material as raw material to make cloths. Okay, students. So next, come to next one, construction industry. So construction industry take activities to construct or build buildings, bridges, roads, dams, etc. So all these constructing activities comes under construction industry. And the main feature of construction industry is that the material which are produced, the goods which are produced, can be produced and sold at one place. Whereas in other industries, goods are produced at some place and they can be sold in another place. This is the main feature of construction industry. Goods can be produced and sold at one place. Okay, next one. Come to service industry. Service industry recently got very importance in the development of the nation. So service industry services are also considered as separate industry. So here doctor services, lawyer services, chartered accountant services and teacher services, all these comes under service. Okay sir, right, these are the examples for service industry. Now see just how many industries are there? Total 6 industries, 6 types of industries are there. They are namely primary industry, genetic industry, extractive industry, manufacturing industry, construction industry, service industry. So here primary industry mainly concerned with the nature, and genetic industry concerned with reproduction or multiplying of some kind of species of plants and animals. And come to extractive industry. Extractive industry concerned with extracting the goods from soil or air or water. Okay students, and come to next one, manufacturing industries. So manufacturing industry concerned with converting the raw material into finished goods, and these raw materials can be taken from other industries. Next one, construction industry. Construction industry concerned with the construction of buildings, roads, dams and other constructing activities. And come to last one, service industry. Service industry, in this service industry, all services comes under service industry, and we can go to give some example for this, that is doctor services, lawyer services, teacher services and advocate, chartered accountant services. Okay students, so I hope you understood types of business activities. They are classified into two, industry and commerce. So meaning of industry and types of industries. primary industry, genetic industry, extractive industry, manufacturing industry, construction industry, service industry. Okay students, I hope you understood all these things. Thank you for watching this video.